Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Your account, API key, and bot permissions must be active so requests succeed. Once done, make sure the target server has the bot role and the required intents enabled to receive events. Next, open the dashboard and pick an environment, test first, then production, because testing prevents live disruptions. You now perform the first login using your API key. Observe the status indicator and read any immediate errors to resolve them before continuing. Now you configure automation rules that define how tickets are created and managed. Start by setting triggers such as keywords, reactions, or scheduled times so the bot knows when to act. Then map actions. Create a ticket, assign an agent, add tags, and push notifications. You do this to keep workflows consistent. After that, adjust rate limits and retry behavior to avoid throttling. This ensures reliability under load. Make sure to save and run a quick simulation to verify logic and outputs. Finish by running a live end-to-end test. Create a sample ticket and follow it through assignment, updates, and closure so you confirm the full lifecycle. Once done, monitor logs, metrics, and user feedback for 24 to 48 hours to catch edge cases and timing issues. If things go wrong, the first troubleshooting step is to recheck permissions, intents, and API quota because most failures stem from access or rate limits. Finally, iterate rule tweaks and redeploy when tests pass to ensure stable operation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.